Hi, I am Kamrat Tashdemir and I will be explaining my homework 3 right now. So as you can see, I changed the color as blue and title as homework 2, and then I changed the text color as a white. So we have padding right now and then the column widget. I used cross-axis element to take the widget as a center. Then I have text form filed and I have decoration label text. When you click, you can see text got upward, and then there's checkbox. We can set the checked value false and true whenever we click. We are changing the value right now. And then I have drop down button, yes and no. So we are changing the value when we click and select another choice. Child text yes and child text no. Then I have elevated button at the bottom. Right now it doesn't do anything yet. It just prints, but we don't take any input, so we can see. Let's look at local history. So I was using stat, but then I wanted my widgets to align at center, so I changed it. Then for task 2, I changed the things a little bit. I added form key and text controller. I'm using the form key validator option in the text form file. So when we take the value, if the value is null, we return. You cannot leave this blank. And then if the value of the length is not enough, I mean if the smaller than 3, we return something back. And then I added text controller. You can see my text controller here. Then in checkbox, I'm still changing the value if we click on it. Then drop down menu, we choose it from the drop down menu items. And then elevated button change. I wrote a couple of code blocks too when we click on unpressed, and there is a display of text when we change the input. Let's write merhaba, and then when we send, it appears on the screen. Then also there's a thing for drop down menu item and checkbox inputs down there. I added the on-press block here. Change the controller. Then I added text controller and submitted text here. Here's what I removed so far.